Troll tutorial. How to have a good day at the work. Step 1. Eat breakfast. Step 2. Go to work. Step 3. Work. Step 4. Look outside the window.
Oh my gosh, is that blood rain? I gotta go now.
Step 5. You killed the monster. Step 6. Get out of the office. Step 7. There's more. Step 8. Sneak around. Step 9. Get back home and gather supplies. Step 10. Check out the. Step 11. Find a way out. Step 12. See more monsters. Step 13.
Run. Step 14. You need a weapon. Step 15. They're coming closer. Step 16. Find a sharp stick. You know what to do.
Step 17. Kill. Step 18. Run as far as you can. Step 19. They're following you. Step 20. Jump off the cliff. Step 21.
Accept your fate. Why am I not dead? Wait, I landed in hay. Step 21. It starts raining blood. Step 22. Find shelter. Step 23. Wait out the night. Step 24. Hear the military. Is it final over? It's over.